Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this time, I will give my argument about philosophy of Ki Hajar Dewantara. We cannot separate education from the history of education development, which is prominently affectioned by Ki Hajar Dewantara. Ki Hajar Dewantara is an education figure who is also the mastermind of Indonesian education. Education philosophy ing ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa Tuturi Handayani and eventually become education symbol in Indonesia. However, it is not fully implemented in education. Young generation partial understanding or even null understanding on the philosophy might be the source of the problem. Based on the preliminary study conducted of the Department of Education in Theological Seminary in Ungaran, most of students in the first and the third grade have not understood the meaning of philosophy. They only know that Tuturi Handayani as the symbol of education, without having complete understanding on it. In addition, the implementation of the philosophy cannot be clearly seen on the education practice. It is believed that education which implement the philosophy proposed by Ki Hajar Dewantara will create golden generation. Wardani mentioned that the teachers should understanding the philosophy and shape their characters in order to success the effort of the creating golden generation. As like that in the new generation, as we teach like in the Mimnu Pucang. Teacher characters need to be done because before applying the philosophy of their teaching, teachers should be able to teach and implement the philosophy of themselves, value dialogue, and have good commitment on their profession as teachers. However, young generation has tried to understanding and implement the philosophy to shape their character. Some other studies have seen the implementation of the philosophy in the teaching character education of the student and teachers. To support the character education in Indonesia like Ki Hajar Dewantara, we should have full understanding on the philosophy proposed by Ki Hajar Dewantara. It was born from the effort to have independent people. Therefore, we need to revisit the art of understanding, listening rather than speaking, reading rather than writing. In this case, the writer will try to comprehend and read the meaning behind the philosophy ing ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa and Tuturi Handayani. Hardiman claims that the language may die, so it's difficult to catch its whole meaning, and living language is difficult to be understood because it might be changing. Understand the philosophy from the psychological interpretation of the ing ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa Tuturi Handayani. Based on the background of the stated above, the study have the two reserved first question: what is the grammatical interpretation of the ing ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa and Tuturi Handayani? How is the mental word that innovated the philosophy ing ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa? Therefore, the study aims to present the grammatical interpretation in ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa Tuturi Handayani and describe the mental word the innovator of ing ngarsa Song Tulodo always in the front of class ing Madya Mangunkarsa Tuturi Handayani. To have good understanding of the grammatical interpretation the mental word in the first chapter ing ngarsa Song Tulodo ing Madya Mangunkarsa and misunderstanding affected the prejudices of the text, the rather the next deeper dialogue the author. The reader that needs understand the point of view that the reader must be have linguistic and understanding about philosophy well. Enough for me. That is my argument about philosophy Ki Hajar Dewantara. That as me in the my argument and my mind now is As a teacher, we must try to become a good and always following Ki Hajar Dewantara to build about education of our student, because that is a basic of characters of our student. So spirit become good teacher, so spirit to always study hard, learning and learning with best quality. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.